In this TTS Quick Tips video, we will demonstrate how to extend an assignment due date in Canvas for an individual student. Assignment extensions can be made for individual or multiple students. Often, they are used to extend a due date for a student who has experienced health issues and needs extra time to complete. Another common reason is for an accommodation request made by a student. To set extensions, first navigate to the assignment you wish to provide the extension for. On the assignment page, locate and click on the Edit button in the top right corner. Next, scroll to the bottom of the assignment page and locate and click on the Add button below the due date. In the Assign To field, locate and select the student you wish to extend the due date for. You should now see their name in the field. Below their name, you will now provide the extended due date. Click the calendar icon and select the appropriate date. If you wish to provide or update the available and until date, do so in the fields below. However, if you didn't use them for the original assignment, you can continue to leave them blank. If you wish to add another student with an extended due date that is different than the first, click the Add button and repeat the same process as before. After you have finished adding all the extended due dates, click the Save button. You will then be taken back to the assignment page where you should see both set of due dates, including the extended, as seen here. And that's your TTS quick tip on how to extend an assignment due date in Canvas.